Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we got a nasty thing at the detail shop. It's been in the oil field truck since 2008. That thing is ridiculously dirty, as you can see how bad it is. So we need to detail it, and what we did, we removed the seats, but now we're going to show you how to clean plastics, door panels, dashboards. Okay, stay with us to see. That is oil, guys. That's not even regular dirt, as you can see. That's crude oil, that's grease, all kind of stuff here. So stay with us to see how we're going to make that thing looking good. It won't be like brand new, but it will be 200% better than what it is now. And all we're going to need right now is a purple power, guys. You can get that one from the part store anywhere, pretty much $4 for 1 gallon. Use it regular strength, do not dilute it, just straight. We need to put some in a spray bottle. We have some right here. We just use the spray bottle from something else. And you need to apply on the door panel. If you have switches, window switches or leather, do not apply it. You can do that on synthetic leather, but not on real leather. So what you need to do, you need to spray it good. If you have window switches, just stay out of the switch area, not to get it wet. Okay, and then what you need to get, guys, it's hot water, like almost boiling hot. You need to have gloves not to burn yourself, and with the brush now. And you can see how we're going to clean that now. Okay, just with the brush, hot water and the purple power. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that and what it's going to look like after about 2 minutes of brushing. Okay guys, right now we're finishing, and what we're going to do, we're going to apply it second time. So now we need to get a wet towel and we need to wipe it, and then we will spray it again, because you need to do that 2 times at least on something that's dirty like that, ridiculously dirty, as you can see. But it already looks a lot better than what it was. And stay with us to see if we're going to make it look even better after the second time. Okay, let's wipe it in a little bit and see what we have now. It won't come out all the way because that oil stains the plastic, but it will look way better than what it was. And if the car is just normal dirty, not bad, that will work 100%, guys. You get it clean. It'll be really easy to get the dust and the dirt out of the pores of the plastic. As you can see, it's getting way better. And then you need to get a dry towel and just dry it. And that will be the whole procedure, guys. Then you need to apply some plastic protectant, because you clean everything out of it. So now you need to put some plastic protectant and keep it moisturized. That way it will not crack from the sun and has a sun damage. Okay, that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.